Today we got a video from Patrol Cam, and the title of the video is "Her Pretty Privilege Failed to Avoid a DUI."
A shirtless model thought she could charm her way out of a DUI. Think again. From dodging questions like a pro to blaming her smoking plans, this traffic stop takes a wild turn. The real kicker? Her sobriety test turns into a comedy of errors as 9 steps magically becomes 14. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Okay, well, so an officer just pulled over a driver from running a red light, but things are about to get interesting. Buckle up for some top-of-the-line confusion and vague answers, because this girl seems like she's not really quite sure where she is or why she's even being stopped.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. You have a driver's license with you? Okay. You know why I'm stopping you?
Not any idea.
No idea? Okay, you ran a red light back there at Howard and Kennedy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What's that? Okay, do you have your registration with you? Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm literally just going to a friend's house. I'm from Orlando. I'm out of town.
Oh, okay. Just you're visiting?
Yeah, I'm visiting.
Okay. Where are you coming from this evening?
From Orlando. I literally came straight here.
Well, that was a masterclass in dodging questions. Well, now it's time for the old standby question. How much have you had to drink tonight? And let's just say she's not quite cool here.
Okay. Let's ask a couple questions, okay? How much have you had to drink tonight?
I haven't drank anything.
Okay. What about marijuana use? You smoked marijuana recently?
No.
Okay, so you got marijuana shake all over your pants.
I planned on it, but I didn't.
Okay. All right, hang tight. Let me check your license, okay?
So she's going to smoke but hasn't yet? Fine, because she's going to blow away the suspicion. And not to mention, this officer can literally see the marijuana shake on her. But hey, maybe she thought honesty was...
Oh my God. I know. I get it. I get it. I understand why some people don't like reaction channels. Trust me, I understand now. This I'm gonna show you this guy's channel. And I just was searching and it popped up or whatever, but this channel only has 4 subscribers. It's very new, I guess, but they stopped making videos. But it's not even all about the subscribers, but they're over editing the body cam footage. Like, they have already interrupted it 3 times and it's 2 minutes into the video. Like, come on. All you need is an intro and then the ending. And then if you want to say something maybe in the middle, fine. But you're interrupting it way too much. Trust me. This video right here, now I understand why people do not like reaction channels. Even though this ain't a reaction channel, this is a reaction channel, but the video that we're watching is not a reaction channel. But like, look, let's look at this real quick. All right, look, I got all my videos lined up that I got to do. But anyway, this Patrol Cam, right? Let me, they got 2 videos. This one didn't get no views, so they probably just, decided to stop it. But this right here, like, you're interrupting it way too much. And it took them 40 seconds just to get into the actual video. Like, the intro was way too long. Come on, guys. Y'all gotta tighten up, man, because this is crazy.
Maybe she thought honesty was not the best policy in such cases. Now it's time for some sobriety tests, and spoiler alert, it's not getting any less awkward from here.
If you do me a favor, just can you stand with your feet together like this and just arms down to your side? You can hold that stuff in your hand there.
Yeah.
What I want you to do is follow this red light as I move it back and forth, but keep your head still, okay?
Gotcha.
Are you able to move your hair back out of the side of your face?
No problem.
Perfect. All right, if you have to blink during this, that's fine. You can blink, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Try to keep your head still. Try to keep your head still.
Failed.
All right. Try not to shake your head up and down, okay? So it makes it hard, all right? Thank you.
Got you.
All right.
Nervous habit. I have
It's okay, no problem.
a couple
All you
disorders if you can't tell by
no problem. All you got to do is follow that red light, okay? Concentrate on that red light. Try to keep your head still.
Wow, that was something. Up next, we're going to get some good old, but why am I being tested territory. Trust me, there's always a lot of reasons, especially when you're fresh from a night out and possibly intoxicated.
Okay. But there's just a couple other exercises I'm going to ask you to do, okay?
All right.
You want to put
Well,
that...
I'm sorry. What was the reasoning for this?
Well, there's quite a few reasons, okay? And I'm not going to get into all of them right now.
Because
But
I just left the parking lot. Like I just
which parking lot did you leave?
the Chipotle parking lot. Like I just left. Like I
Okay.
just left.
And where were you at tonight?
I was at McDinton's and I'm going to my friend's house, which is like 10 minutes away.
I got you. Okay. You want to put that stuff back in your car so your hands are completely free?
So she just left a parking lot. Because that clears everything up, right?
Come on, bro. This is the 5th interruption in 4 minutes. Holy fuck, bro. Listen, I'm not gonna say much in this video. I'm gonna just wait to the end and give my 2 cents because there's a lot of interruptions in this video, and me interrupting it on top of interruptions is just gonna pretty much make this unbearable to watch, man. Because I'm already like, I don't even want to watch this shit no more. Oh man, this is bad.
Also, props to the officer for his patience here. But we're far from done, because next up is the infamous walk the line test. And let me tell you, it's going to be a long journey.
When I tell you to start walking, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down this line, okay?
1,
Well, I don't want you to start yet, okay?
2.
I don't want you to start yet.
Oh.
When I tell you to. So go ahead and put your left foot on the line,
Yep.
right foot in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Arms down to your side. Great. Now I'll tell you when to start, okay?
Okay.
But I have to first show you how to do it.
Okay.
So when I tell you to start, you'll take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line.
All right.
You're then going to turn around, walk back down the line, 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud. I'm going to use this line right here to show you how to do it, okay?
All right.
It'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
All right.
Let's just pretend that's your 9th step. I want you to leave that front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps, just like I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
And then you walk back down the line, 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
All right.
Okay? So go ahead and place your right foot back in front of your left foot so it touches heel-to-toe, arms down to your side. I don't want you to start yet. Take 1 step back.
Oh.
I don't want you to start yet. So right foot in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe, arms down to your side. Great. Now I want you to remember a couple of things while you walk.
Okay.
But I need you to stay in that position,
Oh,
okay?
I'm sorry.
Yep. Arms down to your side. So when you're walking, I want you to look at your feet.
Okay.
Count your steps out loud.
All right.
Keep your arms down to your side just like this.
All right.
Okay? See how I'm doing it? Arms down to your side just like this.
Sir.
Okay? And then once you begin walking, don't stop walking until you've completely finished it.
All right.
Okay? Now, before you start, do you have any questions?
No.
You understand how to...
My legs are sore, so this is honestly
Okay.
hard, like in general.
Do you understand how to do this completely?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think if I'm walking, I'll be better than when I'm just standing still in this
Okay.
hard-ass position.
You can begin when you're ready.
All right. Oh, okay, let me start again. Honestly, my legs are really sore, so this is actually...
Okay. Do the best you can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Small steps, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Okay.
And just like that, 9 steps turned into 14 real quick. Who's counting though, right? But wait, there's still more tests ahead, and she's not done improvising.
Next, what I want you to do is you can stand right there. Just put your feet together and then arms down to your side. Now you can forget about the line because we're not going to use it for this, okay? You just happen to be standing on it. Don't do anything until I tell you to start, all right? But when I tell you to, you're going to raise 1 foot. You can choose to, don't do it yet. You choose whichever one you want. You raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground. I want you to point your toe straight out. So the bottom of your foot, not yet. The bottom of your foot is parallel to the ground. And then look at that foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003.
Like just basically stay still.
And so on until
It's a really bad day for me.
until I tell you to stop. Okay?
All right, sounds
So
good.
hold on, don't start yet. Okay? Make sure you keep both legs straight, just like I'm doing.
All right.
And if you happen to put your foot down, I just want you to pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off.
All right.
Okay? Remember, you're gonna count until I tell you to stop.
All right.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Do you have any questions?
Do I just pick it up like this?
Before you start, what is your specific question?
I don't have a question.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to dip.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
If you understand how to do it, then you can begin when you're ready.
All right.
Make sure you're counting out loud.
Oh, like 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. That's all I can do. 1001, 1002. I don't have a lot of balance. I have a lot of core strength.
Just continue.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Okay, you can put your foot down.
All right.
Next, we're going to face this way. Again, we'll put your feet together like this, arms straight down to your side, just like that. Okay. Put both your arms back together like they're praying, just like this. Okay. So hold them together. Don't interlace your fingers quite yet. Just hold them like that where you're praying. Okay.
Breathalyze me first, because I'm not drunk. I'm just slightly sick.
Okay. And understand if you haven't been drinking, the medicines that you've taken are certainly impairing you.
Dude,
So
I was never told I couldn't drive on the medications.
it probably says them right on the
No,
bottle.
it does not. I promise. I'll show you my bottle right now.
Okay. Is it
I
in
have
the car?
bottle. Yes, it is
Okay.
in the car. I'll
Okay.
show you right now.
Come on up here. Come on up here.
Okay. This is just
672. I'm
stop there.
Do you have? Let me ask you a very important question. Do you have anything illegal on you or in your pockets?
No.
Okay, because there was marijuana shake on you. Is there any marijuana hidden on you anywhere?
No.
Do you have a female for search? If there's a female coming, okay? If they search you and miss something in their search, and they find it when they get at the jail, it's an additional felony charge, okay? Right now you're only looking at a misdemeanor charge, okay? So you have to tell everybody, okay? Come on here and well, I'm gonna take your phone out of your pocket, okay?
Dude.
I'm gonna have you have a seat in my car, okay? So like I said, we are gonna go down to the jail, okay?
At this point, I think the officer is just waiting for a confession. But no. Well, looks like her prayers weren't answered after all. And we're moving right into handcuffs. Guess it's time to confess a lot more than her core strength.
Okay. That was terrible. That was a bad video, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, I don't watch these videos ahead of time. I watch them, you know, for the first time. Oh, my camera. I watch them for the first time when I'm recording, you know, so I didn't know it was going to be that many interruptions. And for those of you guys that don't like reaction channels, I completely understand why. Okay. Anyway, I think, you know, the chick, she was definitely under the influence. Now, do I necessarily think alcohol? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, but definitely either pills or, you know, some, you know, drugs or something else. She's definitely off. You know what I mean? I don't think she did that bad with the walk-in test, right? As far as the steps. Now she took way too many steps, you know. That was the only test that she kind of did okay. I think if she would have did the 9 there and back, I think she did good. But everything else, she didn't have no balance, nothing, yeah, she's cooked. Anyway, yeah, I don't got too much to say about this video, man. It's just, once again, I apologize, because yeah, it was one of those that I wasn't even interested, it was just, damn. Anyway, I get the officer 4 out of 5. He did pretty good. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.